Welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, brought to you by MacJack Productions 90-95 sequel. Now, this is a flip or strip. This is a 2001 Honda Civic with clearly has rust damage. Flip or strip. I've already made my mind up on what I'm gonna do. You see this rust here? I would not want to be selling this to anybody, knowingly or unknowingly, about what rust has to do with a vehicle. Meaning, I don't want to sell this car to nobody that don't understand what type of vehicle they're getting, what type of condition it's in. Like, check it out. Like, I mean, some people would put this on the road and sell it to you, but you got to look at every element of this vehicle. How long is it going to last, and how safe is it going to be on the road? Now, given that it's a 20-plus-year-old vehicle, we're going to some type of, aging of some sort. But look at this rust here. Flip or strip. Flip or strip. All right. Catalytic converter. We stripped. I mean, look at this. Brake lines are already leaking. So what would you do? I mean, seriously, I'm giving y'all some in-depth observations of a car that you're not going to see from any honest point of view, because somebody would try to flip this vehicle to you. They will doctor it up, they will beef it up, they will have it on the market for $2,250, $3,000, and then you go in for an oil change and they say, hey, what is this? What is this? Now, the motor is mechanically sound. The transmission is mechanically sound as well. But the carriage that those units are mounted to is dusted. Hold on one second. Okay, as I was saying, look at it. Look at the vehicle from ground level. You pop the hood. You look around. You'll notice little indicators that you should pick up on. All right, you notice some rusty, irony parts, even on the windshield wiper mounting. Okay, you'll notice things that just quite shouldn't be as brown as they are. Look. You're going to have issues with grounds. Things are going to start rusting through and through. Spot weld on the hood, rusted out. All right. Absence of the catalytic converter being removed from this vehicle, it sounds pretty good. We're going to strip it. We're not gonna flip this. Somebody else would, but we're gonna strip it. Strip it means we're gonna sell all the parts off of it we can. Let us know if you need anything for 01 Honda Civic 2001. We got parts. Running engine, 143,000 miles. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2001 Honda Civic. It has 143,000 miles and no catalytic converter. That's why it sounds like this. But we're not gonna flip it, we're gonna strip it. So if you need any parts for this vehicle, look, 143,000 miles, fully operational engine and transmission, automatic, 1.7 liter engine. Okay, 1.7 liter engine. No brakes, rusted through and through. What you see is available for you. Check it out. Encore Automotive. Ask Matt first.